How we doing, team? Good afternoon. Welcome back to the garage. I'm gonna give you small details on what we have been working on for the last couple of weeks. I did. Unfortunately, I haven't posted any videos lately of the builds that we have been working on, but this is gonna be a good one for you guys. Something completely different. This car is from Orlando. He got in touch with us and asked us see if by any chance we could actually get the car running. He has some problems with the setup that he had prior to him building the car, so he got in touch with us, and I told him that yeah, we could actually help him out. So let me show you guys what we have done so far. So he had a piggyback. I'm not gonna say piggyback. It was I think it was some sort of Sakura FC ECU that he was running on this car, only controlling fuel. He was using the stock ECU to control ignition, timing. So, he had there was a lot of wires and wires and pigtails over this area. This is pretty much all of the stuff that we pulled from the engine bay to clean, of course, the engine bay. So it was just a mess. So when we pulled all of the wiring that we had in there, we started building new one. So we started from the farthest point, which is the oil pressure sensors, and of course coolant temperature, and all the way down to TPS, fuel pressure, ambient temperature, and we kept going all the way down here. So this is pretty much where we at there. In there, of course, it's going to be with this Megasquirt is going to attach into here. And what we are running is as a spark setup is going to be a wasted spark setup out of a IS300. It's pretty much the same thing. We already have the 3 coils, the wires, and we have the little igniter that's already in place attached to the actual relay box. So it'll be once we actually put the switch, everything is all energized. We got the 12-volt constant there, so we won't have any problem. We have the either air control valve. It goes from here to the actual intake itself, because like you can see, there is no either air control in the intake, so they actually blocked it off. So we've been cleaning, doing our best with the actual build, trying to keep it as neat and clean as possible. I forgot to mention that we also have a 3-map bar sensor that we're going to use. And then the can trigger that we're going to use is going to be out of a 7M GTE. That's going to go here, and that's going to go along with the ECU. The ECU wise, it's like I did mention to you guys, we're going to use a Megasquirt MS3X. This is going to be the ECU here. This is the cam trigger, and we are going to put a thermostat in there because there's no thermostat in the car right now. So Wayband, that's also going to be a control. That's everything that comes from the Wayband is going to be reading by the ECU, and that's pretty much where we are right now. Of course, schematic, so we have been working with that lately. So the other thing that we are working is just trying to find a home for the ECU. We are tight in space, so that's the stock ECU here. We got the little ABS control module down here. So what we were trying to find is a place where we could actually put the ECU that is accessible to us, because when we're driving down the road, of course, we want to make sure that it'll be easier to pull the wire to hook it up to the computer, start tuning and building the tune as we're driving down the road. So that's pretty much where we're at so far. Some of you guys noted that I did left some of the stock harness attached to the harness that we have built, but it's because we want to make sure that when we are driving down the road, we see pretty much coolant temperature, oil pressure, all of the, anything that is related, of course the RPMs, anything that is related with drivability, we want to make sure that it's there. So just in case we lose pressure or the actually engine it's getting overheated, so we actually see it right there. So nothing guys, so that's pretty much what we have done so far. This is another cool and interesting build that we are working on. So I'm gonna keep posting photos and videos on my Instagram and Facebook page for you guys to enjoy. So don't forget to subscribe to the channel. That's a plus for me. So if you guys like what you're seeing, if you guys want to know more about the build that we are actually working on, you know, write me a comment, let me know what you guys think, and I will actually get back to you as soon as I can. So, you know, thanks for being here, thanks for watching. You know, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, and see you next time. Bye.